Ala guys, nikalitra siya og kanang hangin kusog kaayo guys. Oh. Oh. Nikalit lang siya hangin guys, nakusog kaayo. Oh. Murag siningawan ni sa bagyo guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. Grabe ang hangin, kusog kaayo guys. Alaka. 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 Ala. Ala, nikalitra lagi hangin. Oh my gosh. Balik ta sa sulod guys. Oh. Tanawa guys. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Laka. Sulod ta guys. Grabe guys. Oh. Hala ka. Hala ka. Grabe, nikalit lang ang hangin nga kusog kaayo guys. Sulod sa ta. Hello guys, may gabi guys. Naghantod karong gabi gyud ang ulan guys. Nagsugod siya ganina alas 12. Sugod siya og kusog kaayo ang hangin, then naana day siya dala nga ulan. Gikan alas 12 sa udto, padulong karong gabi ang ulan. Binta na lang gani ron guys, kay hinay na ang ulan ganina kusog kaayo. So basig na ana poy bagyo or low pressure mao ni kalit og kuan. Kalit na puglain ng panahon nya. Na-blackout pud ganina pag hudyong sa kusog kaayo nga hangin, na-blackout dahil nawala pud ang connection sa internet. So ato na ning kuan ugma kung mabalik ang connection sa internet.
Quiet glow through the night, through the day, we will find our way. Before you came, the days felt cold, the nights were long, the world felt old. And you walked in and changed it all, turned my gray into gold. Every laugh, every touch so true, every moment feels brand new. You like the way you bring me peace, you feel my heart is finally free. Because of you, the stars shine bright, you fill my world with love. You lift me up when I feel small. Catch me when I start to fall. Every dream now feels so real. With you I know just how to feel. Because of you the stars shine bright. You fill my world with love and light. Holding back behind your quiet broken laugh. You say you're fine, but I can tell. You're hiding pain you know too well. If only I could take your hand, erase the sorrow where you stand. But all I do is watch you fade, standing here in silent shade. From afar I call your name, hoping you can feel your shadow lingers in the rain. A quiet echo of your pain. I wish my words could reach your soul, to make you feel you're not alone. If only I could take your hand, erase the sorrow where you stand. But all I do is watch you fade, standing here in silent shade. From afar I call your name, hoping you can feel the same. Though I can't be by your side, no, my heart is open wide. Even if I walk alone, you'll never be on your own. I'll be here through night and day, loving you in my own way. And if the world should pull us apart,
Anita diri guys kay mangita taog mushroom guys. Sorry tag makakita ba tag mushroom diri. Mushroom or ohong. Kay ga kilat man gabi gadalugdog. Bas hindi ay makakita ta no. Sorry ta diri. Ah hala. Naon ta guys oh. Wala pa guys. Naadjud siya guys. Daot na. Oo, nadaot na. Ta. Namtay uhong dot nadaot na. Ngita ta diri guys. Darat ako. Sige. Makita ta diri. Sinaa diri sa ilalim sa may mangga guys. Kasi makita ta diri. Ito lang i-try. Malay mo makita ta. Kani nga mangga guys amo agyapon ni diri guys. Ito na tuog na aba diri. Ngita tag mushroom. Ito lang i-try kung naaba. Nakita ko dito pero nadaot naman siya, nalata na. Duha ba unta ka buok pero nalata na. Murag wala man siguro diri guys. Murag wala. Nangaslom na pud akong ginhawa guys oy. Ni resulta lagi guys basta sa gunson og kaon og mga aslom. Ya pag matukar ang ato ang hyper acid guys, acidity. Sabay tag ana ni. Murag maapektuhan pud ang ato ang kuan. Ang ato ang pagkatulog ba. No? Dili ta makatulog tarong. Ang ato ang anxiety mo kuan pud siya. Mula man guys uy. Wala may mushroom guys. Aha ba na pangita ng uhong uy. Wala siya. Wala man. Wala man guys uy. Naabot na lang ko diri guys. Wala ko kitag uhong guys. Balik na ta uy. Wala. Uy uhong guys. Bisong ang gipangita. Wa gid nakakita. Basin wala jud kay uhong. Nagpa-sounds ko guys, nagpa-music ko kay murag mingaw nya laay kaayo. Manang magpa-sounds na lang ta. Kusog-kusog sad na ako ang sounds box guys. Kaya ako man nang gipaayo good nga nakapalit pug kog bagong amplifier. So may na lang mahapi ka jud ang ato ang kaluluwa. Charot. Kaluluwa jud. Nga wala may mushroom oy. Mimi! Kapadita mo Mimi isa. Tara sila. Yan na po diri oh. Muna ang mother goat. Mother goat. Kato laki. Ito pa jud oh, duha ka mother goat. Wala may uhong dotoy. Kita ko dito oh, pero isa ra ka buok. Yan alata na pod. Kita guys oy. Murag wala jud siya. Uli na lang ta guys. Pangita na ako ang iring nga gamay guys. Ang putug asa to siya nagtago. Ilang taon siya na ako diribi. Diba siya nagtago to diri balik ang among iring nga gamay.
So let's dance in the golden light.
Wow, yun siya.
With love so strong we'll be alright. Through the seasons, through the years.
Wala jud siya guys.
Every sunset.
Kita magugugugong duha ka buok pero nangadaot na siya.
Take my hand, don't be afraid. I'll be the light that never fades. I will be right where you are. Through every tear, through every fight. Your way, I'll be your shelter. I'll help you stay through every storm. Through what, I'll stand with you. I'll be the strength when you're feeling weak. A gentle when your heart is. I'll remind you you're not alone. Side by side we'll make it through. I'll lend a voice when you need to breathe. Through every tear, through every fight. I'll love you through the darkest night. Through the highs and through the lows, I'll be here so you won't wait out. I will be the light shining through the storm. I will keep you safe, I will keep you warm. Every tear that falls, I'll wipe away. World's so bright and new. I just wanna say I love you. Soft skies paint the morning light. A gentle breeze, the world feels right. No need to rush, no need to run. Just take a breath, the day's begun. Let the moments flow like waves. No worries now, just ride the wave. Breathe in deep, let it all fade. Feel the warmth of a brand new day. No more wait, just let it go. Drift along, take it slow. Footsteps light upon the ground. Softest melodies all around. Swaying leaves and laughing streams. A quiet place, a heart that dreams. Let the moments flow like waves. No worries now, just ride the wave. sunshine shines.